and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Crucial meeting on alliance between Congress and NCP on Saturday. Congress firm of 34 seats. State NCP says they have no knowledge about the meeting. CM in Delhi to clear decks for Vijay Pai Court's induction in the party. Babush bets for Isidore. Decision anytime. Flying squad of Election Commission conducts more raids. Seizes 20 water tanks at Lotali. Tells border security police to keep vigil on fake notes. Sabina's family members accept her body after second post-mortem. GMC doctors reserve opinion on cause of death. And new star in Goan chess, Riya Sawant now set to progress higher and stronger after enjoying great success in year 2011. And now the news in detail. Crucial meeting of Nationalist Congress Party and Congress Party is scheduled on Saturday in Delhi for alliance. Subhash Shirodkar and Digambar Kamath are already in Delhi, but unfortunately, NCP State President says that he has no clue about the meeting. This meeting is very crucial in view of coming assembly election schedule on 3rd March. Tussle between the coalition partners in the state government on the seat sharing issue has now reached to Delhi. The special meeting, which is scheduled on Saturday morning, will also decide about the alliance in the election. Meeting will be attended by Congress observers J.S. Brar and Sudhakar Reddy and NCP leader and Union Minister Praful Patel along with state leaders of both the parties. Subhash Shirodkar says, meeting with central leaders, meeting to decide alliance. If fruitful, then seat sharing discussion. Congress firm on 34 seats. When contacted, State President of the NCP, Surendra Sirsat, said that he has no intimation of the meeting. He said that their leader Praful Patel is abroad and Brar is in Punjab. He said, if necessary, NCP's central leaders will call the state leader from Goa. He reiterated his stand that NCP will contest in all 40 constituencies if alliance talks fail. He said that they will be open for alliance with other parties then. With Bureau Inputs, our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai. CM has reached Delhi to hold final talks with Congress leader Ahmed Patel about Vijay Pai Court's Congress induction. Highly placed sources in the Congress say that Taligaon MLA Babush Monserrat is pressing hard for Isidore Fernandez's candidature from Concon.
The battle for Concon ticket is heating up day by day. CM Digambar Kamath has reached Delhi for final talks with AICC General Secretary Ahmed Patel to clear Vijay Pai Court's induction. Court camp is trying for a written assurance from the Congress on Concon ticket, whereas Babush Monserrat is batting hard for his friend Isidore Fernandez. Sources in the Congress say that Babush has constantly maintained pressure on the Congress for not giving ticket to Vijay. He feels that Isidore lost his hold in Paingin after he switched sides with Babush to topple Parrikar government in 2005. As an attempt to rehabilitate Isidore, Babush is trying all his cards to help his old friend. When we contacted Babush, this is what he said. Earlier I was pressing for Concon ticket for Isidore. But I have faith in the party. I will abide by the party decision on Vijay Pai Court. But CM is personally monitoring Concon developments and he is in favor of Vijay's joining. In fact, it was CM who pressed for Vijay's name during Pradesh Election Committee meeting. Congress has taken a guarded stand on the issue. Isidore Fernandez has lost twice to Ramesh Tavadkar in Paingin constituency in 2005 and 2007. Whereas Sanjay Bandekar has lost twice to Vijay Pai Court in Concon constituency in 2002 and 2007. The party is still gauging its options with Vijay all set to join it. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Flying squad of the Election Commission raided a house in Lotuli and confiscated 20 water tanks. Election Commission has ordered border security police and income tax officials to keep strict vigil on circulation of fake notes during the election period. Meanwhile, police and excise officials raided a godown in Dargal and seized liquor worth 60,000 rupees. This is the second consecutive raid by the Election Commission's flying squad. On Friday, flying squad raided a house in Lotuli. They confiscated 20 water tanks from Sunny Waz's residence, whereas Police and Excise Department raided a godown of Nandan Choprekar in Dargal and seized 33 cans of Feni. Excise officials have estimated the cost of liquor amounting to 60,000 rupees.
कशी कितें तुमकां कंप्लेंट म्हणून आसलेलें?
आमचे तरी जालें फ्लायंग स्क्वॉड आमचे येतले तेजे बरोबर तुमी वचपाक जाय.
कोणाचो सोरो ह्यो?
ते चोपडेकर.
आनीक सगळो कितें फक्त सोरोच आसलो की आनी कितें आसलें?
हय सोरोच आसलो आनी एम्प्टी बॅरल्स थोडी मेळ्ळी.
अच्छा, सो तुमी आतां सगळी सील मारलेली?
हय चालू आहा इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा.
आनी तुमी ती व्हरून आतां फुडें एक्शन कितें आसतलें?
चालू इन्वेस्टिगेशन करतले फुडें.
There is a possibility of fake notes being circulated during election. Hence, Commission has ordered the security force and income tax officials to keep strict vigil.
काळ जसो जसो लागीं येता इलेक्शनची डेट तशी तशी भायल्यान पयसो येवपाचो किंवा फेक करन्सी बी येवपाची शक्यताय आसा म्हणून कमिशनान गायडलायन्स घालून दिल्ले आसा. त्या प्रमाणे स्टेटीचे बॉर्डर जे जे इलेक्शन गोईंग स्टेट्स आसा ताचे स्टेट बॉर्डराचेर SSB किंवा बॉर्डर सेक्युरिटी फोर्साचेर लोकांक दवरून काही आक्षेपार जर आढळ्ळे जाल्यार तांचेर कारवाई करपाची. अनएकाउंटेड पयशे जर सापडले जाल्यार ते तांणी आपल्या ताब्यात घेवचे. Instructions have been sent to them. Naturally, they will be going to post.
However, Goa Liquor Traders Association has alleged that excise observer Raman Fatarpekar is harassing them using election code of conduct. Trader Suryakant Diwarkar informed that he was harassed by the observer.
आशिल्ल्यो गोष्टी ना नाशिल्ल्यो गोष्टी आसा अशें करपाची ताजो तो करता अशें म्हणून आमकां तांणी सांगलां ते सांगसर. एक म्हणजे लिकराच्या बाटलेचेर जे पळय लेबल्स आसा ती लेबल्स तो काडून उडयता आनी त्यो बाटलेचे लेबल ना म्हणून घेवन वता आनी ह्या वेळार तो पंचनामा बी कांय करिना म्हणून. आमी ह्या गोश्टीची ही गोश्ट आमी सिरियसली घेतलेली आसा आनी एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शना खातीर आमी कमिशनर ऑफ एक्सायजा कडेन धाडून दितले वीथ अवर सजेशन. आमचें जें सजेशन कितें आसा तातूंत आमी धाडून दितले.
The Commission has received complaints from more 3 departments, and accordingly, HODs have been asked for specification. The recruitment scam at Health Department came to fore on Thursday, and the Commission has received report. Commission has sent it to the Chief Secretary. Our reporter Laukik Shilkar, Vinod Mehtar, Savio Dias with video journalist Shushant Pearl. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.